it's Julia. I'm doing an upcycle today. My thrift store had a sale, a half off price on all their apparel. And I got, I don't know, probably 20 items. And I have seen all over on TikTok, they're doing this ruffled collar. They take the collar off and put a ruffle inside by cutting some of the bottom off. And I want to try it. I thought it's just kind of a neat look for summer. Has some detail already on the shoulders and also on the bottom of the sleeve. So I think I'm going to leave the sleeves the way they are, and I'm going to probably do some sort of embellishment on this too, maybe a floral design or something going up. I will be selling this at my summer shop. So let's get started. They cut the bottom part off, and then I think I'm going to just pick this out and remove the collar. On some of the videos I watch, they actually just cut this, but it's gonna fray. I'd rather tuck it in, so I'm gonna do that, and we'll see what happens. I've seen some of them that actually use the curve of this, and then some cut it off straight first, and then sort of do a curve. And I think I'm going to cut it off straight because I think I'm going to ham it so that it's not curved, that it's hammed, flat or straight across. This is really straight on the plaid, so I'm going to just cut this with my scissor and cut it single layer. This was regularly $3.99, so the half off was $2 for this shirt. I'm going to take this to my ironing board and just iron this hem. It's just kind of bunched up in a few places. And then I'm going to also grab my seam ripper, and I'm just going to just remove the stitches on this and get this collar out of here. I've got the collar. I'm just going to clean up some of these threads. And then also working on this hem, I'm going to cut it off so it's approximately the same. This is like an inch on the side seams. I'm just going to take my seam gauge and mark an inch, a little bit more than an inch. I put a mark at the center back, or just a pin. And now I'm just going to stick this ruffle in here, starting at the center back. And what they do is just do tucks. Just make tucks all the way around. So I'm going to just see if I can get this to go for me. I got this all pinned in, and I used like lots of pins. I think to do it next time I will, instead of doing all these little tucks, I think it'd be easier just to run a couple gather strings and gather it instead. It's just sometimes hard to get the tucks even. So that would, definitely going to try that next time using a gather string and a gather thread instead. And then another thing I wanted to say, I did cut a little bit off of the end. The bottom of this part, I don't know if a placket, the button placket, I cut that off. And then on the ends here, these will be folded back and then just stitched. Just to roll them back. I think that's what I'm going to do for it. The little collar's on. it just looks cute. It really makes it more feminine. I like the look of it. And now I want to add something, and I pulled out, these are little, I don't know, napkins, doilies that someone gave me, and they've have a couple stains in them. And so I did cut one up, and I thought what I would do on this is maybe run these just down the placket. I really like the red on this. And I just think that looks really fun for summer. And I'm going to add a few more. I'm just going to cut out of here. Okay, and my idea here, my idea is for the bottom, I'm going to serge the bottom, and then I'm going to just turn that serged back and hem it. So that's what I'm going to do for the hem, just a real narrow hem. And then when I have my serger out, I thought maybe what I could try to do, and I don't know if this is going to work at all, but I'm going to just cut along this, leaving myself about an inch or so, and then serge that edge and see if I can add this trim somewhere, maybe on this back yoke, and maybe someplace on the front. But anyway, I'm going to do that. I'm going to cut out some more of the strawberries, run them down the placket, and then do my serger edge on both the hem and this little napkin doily thing. I added a little bit of that edging to the back, and then I'll show you what I did to the front. I didn't get all of the little strawberries sewn on, but I have them pinned on. I did add a little bit of the edging again to the bottom of the flaps of the pocket, and now I'm going to just stitch these on with free motion stitching in white thread so you won't see it at all. Just added one in between each of the pocket or the buttonholes. Added just a tiny one on each of the little ends of the pocket, and then also to the detail, this little flap that is on each of the sleeve. I'm going to stick one there. I really love it. I think this is going to be a cute little top for summer with maybe black capris or little your jeans. I hope you give this a try. This was really an easy, beginner-friendly upcycle, and what a fun way just to dress up a man's shirt. It really makes it more feminine. It's just really a cute ruffle. However, I think I messed up on it, and I wanted to share it with you so that you don't do what I did. This is the original hem on the shirt, and so you don't even have to hem this ruffle or anything, but I should have had the hem facing in. I have it facing out, and I mean, it's not that big a deal, but I just think that I probably should have had it facing the other way so that basically the turn end of the hem is facing towards your neck. But it finishes off really nicely. It's just really fun. I'll share some pictures at the end. I hope you give this a try. Yeah, what a clever idea. Whoever thought of it, like I said, this wasn't my idea. I have seen it, but I wanted to share it with you. Hope you have a chance to create this week. Bye for now.